Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another TMD Tokyo Model Detective magazine review. We have the Maschinen Krieger Snake Eye Profile 2 magazine, presented by your one and only Mr. Yokoyama. Awesome front cover artwork of the Snake Eye, one of my personal favorite suits. And on the back, it's got some pictures of the kit being built and some illustration work and some decals, which I'll talk about at the end of this video. Inside this magazine, this is the actual sleeve of the magazine, and inside is the original cover artwork, which is cool. And inside you have some awesome illustrated artwork there by Ma.k. Has some pictures of an illustrated section of, I think these drawings are part of a storyline, and I can't remember, I don't know if it's the Chronicles, but I know there's some storybook related to this. And of course it is the part of the storyline, which is pretty cool. Has a very cool, amazing pilot, female pilot. Goes into some information about the Snake Eye. Has some very, very cool photography work here, as you can see. These are some more photographs. I think that it's not the banana boat, is it? I forgot what that model kit is. If anybody knows, please inform me. I know Robin would know. Some very cool photographs. Got some Gans there, some suits. Awesome photography work. It really adds some depth to these model kits, and obviously you got the Falk there in mid-flight. Makes these model kits look actually very realistic, by the way. But moving on, it has a double page spread out of the SAFs with different views. Gives you some information there about the suit itself. Just reading up on it. It's got super ceramic armor. Wow, that's cool. Gives you some explanation there. It's part of the SAF division. And then this is what I'm really interested in, is on how Ma.k did all this kit, and it goes into quite a lot of depth actually on how he paints. And quite interestingly, Ma.k seems to have painted on the sprues. I didn't know that. This shows you how he modeled this and his painting techniques, which again is very very loose. So if you're good at hand painting, this is will be right up your street. Again, step by step instructions. He's even using some Tamiya putty there, which is obviously dissolved in some thinners, and he's just manipulating the kit. I'm just reading it myself as I'm going around. This is cool. Wow, he actually hand painted those shark teeth. Excellent. Showing you some airbrushing techniques. Going into the pilot and the suit. Oh, I didn't know this actually. He's put some miniature ball bearings in there. You can quite see that. Let me bounce down a little bit. He's put some miniature ball bearings. I didn't think of doing that, weighting it down like that. And he's done some modding within the suit as well. So I think the pilot actually comes out of the suit. And it does tell you how he's done it all step by step, and he has done a lot of modding to it. He's even used some photo etch as well. Wow, from a Meng kit. So as you can see here, these side sections of the snake eyes actually elevate outwards. Very cool. And then obviously he's doing some detailing stuff there. That's what it looks like. He's put like these warning colour decals on there. Sick. These are the different divisions of camouflage that you can use on this kit. I mean, yeah, you can stick to the actual standard colours and schemes, but you can do your own. I do. Inside here, ooh, wait, no, I had that in there. Got a little pamphlet there. Like I say, it's the first time I've done this book for review. I've had this magazine for quite a while actually, so I'm just getting through all my book reviews first. Again, there are some more divisions, and it gives you some details here on the decals. Another slit there. More featured stuff on model graphics. Again, some more feature slots that have been covered in Model Graphics magazine. There's been quite a few actually, as you can see here. Another piece of paper. This is what you get in Japan. Loads of these like postcards and stuff. This is some more modding that he's done. He's put like a backpack on there. Sick. I do believe that this is a lunar suit, like a space suit. Some more scratch building there, guys. Colour schemes. This is old school, by the way. This is some World War II stuff, and this is one of the models that does stuff for Maschinen Krieger. What's her name? Minae Demura. Very cute looking, by the way. She has her own website as well, minarose.com. Check her out. The Ma.k figure set. Robin, you'll know about this. This set here, I'm not joking, and I'll be honest and put this out there, it's not the best. It's made by Hasegawa, and I'm currently working on these models at the moment. I think actually they're down there below me. Can't be bothered to get them out, but yeah, the seam lines are not very good. There's a lot of work that needs doing with those. It's something that I've got in the works for the Gladiator. It does come with a variety of tools and stuff, jerry cans. Ko's 1-2 Garage. I know Ko-san is into a lot of modelling and stuff. This is about the Alfa Romeo racing car. Very cool. It's got a profile on a guy called Michael Turner, aviation artist. This is the Falk. It does even have Ko-san doing aircraft models, British RAF Spitfire. Must be some of his work. It's very good actually. It's even hand painted as well, I think. The old school style. And this must be some of his kits. Wow, these are old. Airfix Revell. Going into Ko's illustration works, it has a feature here with his illustrations, all done in like oils and gouache probably. It's very cool. I'd like some of these as his t-shirt actually. and then that's the actual cover box artwork. And this is funny. I've actually seen, there was a phase of people like doing these like toy doll hair, not doll hair. This face, Tamasian, must be some like famous doll in Japan where they've put the heads in there. Quite funny. And at the back of this book, if you do get your hands on this book, it has a very special detailing sheet at the back, which is something that I'm going to keep. There is actually another edition with the cause and flange, and I do have another book review that's coming up on the Falk of this book series, so check that out in the next video. But these decal sheets are very rare and they won't be made again, probably. And that's about it, guys. So there's some nice little bits and pieces in there. You can get these books from Mandareke, I think. I have quite a few of these in at the moment, and if you're lucky you might find one of these at a book off or something like that. But mainly these books are sold at Mandareke. This is where I got mine from, and I got mine for a decent price. If you guys are interested, I can try and proxy buy one of these for you guys. If I can try and locate one, if you guys can't find one on the internet. But they're very, very nice books, and obviously the added bonus is that you get a detailing sheet, which, you know, to buy a detailing sheet nowadays you're looking at 1,000 yen plus anyway for Ma.k stuff. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit that notification button. As I say, TMD is going to be rocking out more YouTube channels, and thanks to the support of you guys that I'm doing this. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you again.